fake. Just made a slight bend, a bite then, and catch off the bait. And now I'm about to rap a state that ain't on the map. About to reach destination, sleeping, taking a nap. But right here, quite clear that I'm nearly a light year ahead of my time. Back from the future despite fear. Instead of a sign, merely here I bled when I die. Child deprived of a childhood. So this is it. Fuck looking back, I'm ready to live. No holding back, I'm ready to give. Gold in the black that I said I hid. Seems like it's half black and I never see. Fuck looking back, I'm ready to live. No holding back, I'm ready to give. Gold in the black that I said I hid. Seems like it's half black and I never see. 65 down, 65, this could be mine. Big opportunity, party tonight. This should be live. Entrepreneurs see people together, starting to gather a microphone and a rapper. Yo, I might get on right after it. I look around, everybody from out of town join. Women from Valpo, Portage over to Crown Point, Maryville household. Still I'm seeing people here from Cherville now. No doubt, it's almost unbearable. Crackler from Hexville, now the flow's something terrible. Capture success killer, homegrown and I'm fucking ready to go. Imagine I'm stress-filled, all alone, bloated, I'm irritable. With beer in the cooler, keg at the top of an atmosphere full of I don't mind if I misbehave tonight. Why ask why do I pimp these babes like? Flow sporadic and acrobatic, rhymatic. If rap was a movie, my verses would be climatic. Shit. So bring the static, what the fuck you thought I'm psychodramatic? I flow grammatic, my rhyme tactic is chiropractic. Make you a fanatic when I appear like magic. Give me 3 shots, grab me a hat trick. Tragic in a white and that's it. So this is it. Fuck looking back, I'm ready to live. No holding back, I'm ready to give. Gold in the black that I said I hid. Seems like it's half black and I never see. So this is it. I finally do believe I hear my calling. The moment I've been waiting for since before I was crawling. Drawing pictures of falling father figures and lost profits. Appalling, I'm stalling only so I don't come across comments. Detect logic, you might spit but I toss vomit. Inject chronic, just one hit I get lost on it. Been lost in this holocaust. Cold as frost, an old man with no dad who had thoughts that crossed. And I'm trapped in this forest, or it's a maze haze. It's my only exit, but they say that it's a phase. Immaturity adds to my insecurity. My impurity purely shows there ain't no cure for me. I need bed rest, took you longer but you said less. My temptation is big breasts in a red dress with gold